How to create a site speed test with Pungdom tools? Pungdom website speed test tool can be used to pull a website speed test in just a matter of seconds. It will pull your web page from the server and looks into how much time it takes for the page to load. We can also go through the metrics and see what element is causing this specific delay on your website. So first, go to the site Pungdom Tools and enter the web page or your website for which you wanted to generate a site speed report. And then choose the server from which you wanted to test your website for speed. Pungdom currently has got servers from Japan, Germany, United Kingdom, Washington, San Francisco, Australia and Brazil. Choose the server and then click Start Test. Wait for the server to complete the test results. And then when your site speed report gets generated, you can see different elements like what you need to do to improve your page speed performance, and content size by content type, file requests and many more. This site speed is a detailed report to see what is causing your page load time and how fast people from different parts of the world are able to access your website. You can find the link for a detailed article to generate site speed report from the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe us. See you in the next video.